So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this is his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarco, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. It gives us Cajun cooking. This is a Cajun cooking bag. It's on there twice. This is why Cajun cooking gets chosen so often, because it's the biggest bag, and it's never Cajun cooking. But this is Cajun shrimp and rice. Let's go. Cajun shrimp plus rice. 1 cup uncooked rice, 1 can cream of shrimp soup, 1 cup milk, very specific 1 1/4 teaspoon Cajun, half a teaspoon salt, 1 pound shrimp clean, half a teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons oil olive. He labels this section next 5, which consists of 1 onion, 1 cup, 1 cup frozen okra, 3/4 of a red or green pepper, 2 ribs celery, 1 clove garlic, and then lastly, a tablespoon of fresh parsley. And then he wrote the instructions on the back. Let's get to it. First step is to cook rice in reserve. So I washed it, had some extra chicken stock. While that cooked, I defrosted the shrimp. And while that defrosted, I made the soup mix. 1 can cream of shrimp soup, 1 cup milk, 3/4 teaspoon Cajun seasoning, salt, and in reserve. The shrimp had a strong iodine smell, and I've heard that you can get rid of that by soaking in milk for 30 minutes. This is that next 5 portion of ingredients. He only wants 3/4 of a red pepper. Rather than a whole white onion, he only asks for 1 cup. 1 clove garlic, which cooks faster than the other ingredients, so I separated it. 2 ribs of celery. And 1 cup of frozen okra. After soaking, you're supposed to rinse and then pat dry. I accidentally skipped the rinse. Mix shrimp and bowl with last of Cajun seasoning. Saute oil and shrimp. And remove and reserve. Heat remaining oil, saute next 5 ingredients. Stir in soup mix, Jimenere 8 minutes. I forgot the garlic from before, but honestly, that's probably better this way. Add shrimp, cook 2 to 4 minutes. Stir parsley into rice. Serve shrimp over rice, and let's see what the roommate thinks. This is Cajun shrimp and rice.
All right, out of the Cajun bag?
Yeah, it's from the Cajun bag, and it's actually
Right.
Cajun.
Let's go. Tastes Asian Cajun.
Yeah, it doesn't taste Cajun.
Asian Cajun.
And the shrimp is real shrimpy.
Where'd you get it from?
Publix.
What's in it?
Cream of shrimp soup, celery, okra,
Okra.
some red pepper, some onions, some garlic.
Yeah, it seems healthy.
So you don't like it. I mean, it's real creamy.
Yeah. No, it's good.
I can almost see the Cajun coming out. It's like the more I eat it, the more the spice starts to like lay down, and then
Yeah.
it starts to feel spicier.
A little bit. Does Cajun just mean spicy?
No, but it's spiced. It's very
Right.
tons of spices in it.
I mean, the more I eat it, the more I like it.
Yeah, it's getting better.
It's good.
It's good. 3, 2, 1. 7, 9. Oh, it's 7, 5. Damn, man, you really do like it.
Yeah.
We just had that lasagna. I felt it's not as good as that, so I went just below it, which is kind of what you did too.
Exactly what I did, yeah. You've
Yeah.
just been hating on your own cooking lately.
No, it's good. 7.5 is good.
7.5?
7.5 is good. It's great. All right. Next time on Dead Greg.
Nothing for you.